Today we are going to be making Jim Dine inspired hearts. We're going to start with a ruler and a pencil to start this lesson. We are going to be drawing our own hearts, and I'm going to help guide you how to make that heart with this ruler. First, I'm going to split this paper in half. You can actually find half, which is about I think it's about 4.5. But I'm just going to eyeball it, and I'm going to start with my vertical line. Can you make a vertical line? Then I'm going to work on the horizontal line because I want 4 even boxes here. And I could, if I want to, this is 12 inches, I can find the 6 if I want to and make it vertical. Horizontal. Here I did vertical. Horizontal straight across. It's not perfect, that's okay. Give me a thumb up when you have 4 even spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to actually draw our heart. And we can either make dots to help us draw the hearts, or we could just freehand it however you want to, but I want to make mine pretty big. It's going to be pretty big. This is going to be about the center of the heart. So I'm going to make a dot maybe a little less than half of this area here. And then I'm going to make a dot all the way down here because I don't want to leave too much space. I'm going to make a dot all the way down here. So they're about in the same spot. It's not half, it's about lower than half. And then this one here, because it's going to help guide me. This is a guiding line. If I wanted to, I could even put dots here to guide me, but that's okay. I'm going to start by drawing super light. And I'm going to go up. And first, maybe I'll practice a couple of times. I go up and then back down. And I can try the other side. Up, around, and back down. See how light I'm drawing? When I draw light like that, it helps me to see where I want to go, and then I don't have to erase all these lines. So now that I'm ready, I'm going to go for it. Up, down, and back around. Not a perfect line? That's okay. Now I'm going to try this side. Probably not going to be the exact same, but we'll try. Up, down, and back around. Are they perfect? No. I kind of like that it's not perfect. It's my heart, and that's what's most important to me. So now that I have my heart, and I have 4 even sides, I'm going to start thinking about the different patterns that I want to do in my heart. Because we want repeating patterns. So this one, in this area, I'm going to make some swirly lines. That's my first pattern. This one, I'm gonna do some fun, a line pattern. I'm gonna do a line pattern. And I want to stay inside. I'm going to stay inside of these lines. So my patterns are repeating, and I'm being smart about my repeating lines. There's another pattern. This one looks like a good zigzag line pattern. And this one I'm gonna do some polka dots. have an idea of what my patterns are going to be, the next step is to trace them with oil pastel. So I'm going to start by tracing my colors, my patterned colors. I did different warm color patterns in my heart. The last step for the heart is I'm going to trace all of my pencil line on the outside with black. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do these lines going vertical and horizontal. Trace them a couple times. And before I get started with my paint, I'm actually going to rough it up just a little bit on the edges. You see how I roughed it up? Just on the outside. We want it to be roughed up on the outside. Kind of makes it look like it has a little bit of a shadow. We're going to continue doing warm colors inside of the heart, and we're going to do some cold colors on the outside of the heart. Now that I'm done with the inside of my heart, I'm going to paint the outside of my heart cold colors. So it's the opposite of the warm colors.